Stainless steel surfaces in the kitchen tend to pick up a lot of grease during the day. Southern Fried Chicken recommends that you clean them using a scouring powder such as Keating Cleanser. This removes all the grease from the surface and leaves a nice shiny finish. To do this properly, you'll need your Keating Cleanser, some blue roll, a bucket of warm water with a little bit of soap, and 2 clean blue cloths. Step 1 when we're cleaning the stainless is to take your Keating Cleanser or similar scouring powder and shake out a small amount onto one of your clean blue cloths and work this into a paste using a little bit of the cold or warm water. And then using the cloth, just place this like this all over the surface, making certain that you get all the corners of the metal. Once you've put the powder all over the surface, we can now wash it off with the warm water, a little bit of detergent, and the next clean, fresh blue cloth. The water needs to be completely clean and free of grease. And rinse this cloth frequently in the water and then continue to wipe off the surfaces. Once you've removed all the powder, take some blue roll and dry the stainless steel, making sure that you dry all the corners so that the surface is clean and shiny when you finish. This clean and bright surface can now be sprayed with Sheila Shine if you desire to make it last throughout the day. Sheila Shine is a stainless steel polish which is suitable for use on all non-food surfaces. Spray a small amount of Sheila Shine onto your blue roll and spread it evenly over all the stainless steel. This creates a very nice finish which will last throughout the business day.